Hey YouTube, morning. Yeah, so today's Monday, day after Sunday, and today's another vlog. I'm gonna drink make my protein shake real quick, and then I go to the gym. Probably today's gonna be leg day, or arm day, or full body day. I don't know. Today is Monday, so they're probably gonna take it easy. Maybe the coach is gonna take it easy. I'm not sure, but I'm ready for it. Whatever he says, I'm ready for it. Out here, let's do this. You wanna be love? We are dealing with love this morning, my brother. Peace and love every time from a Rasta man. Bubble dreadlock, yo. Your dad do aya. What's up? How's it going? How's your 2022 so far? Hope it's going well. Mine's alright. It's decent. It's pretty decent. Can't complain. I feel just give thanks. Yeah, so right now I'm off to the gym. I'm gonna lift some weights, some heavy weights, and come back and rest a little bit. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, okay? Thank you. I met a girl at the gym. I'm not gonna pretend like I remember her name, but she got a fat ass and she kinda cute. But they appreciate she feel have my first youth. Lyrics, I lie. Yeah, so just come back from the gym. Today was leg day, right now my hips killing me. I'll take a nice like a massage in my hip area there. And my legs. I did a lot of lunges today. I did duck walks. And what else? So what else was dangerous? Yeah, the side lunges with the weights. I had the weights in my hand and they just did some side lunges. I did a lot of workouts here, but it went by fast, like about 45 minutes. And sometimes I do some other workouts that are not that much. And it goes on for like an hour and a half. It's crazy how that is sometimes, but it is what it is. Like, comment, subscribe, okay? Out here, road to 1,000 subscribers. Peace. Hey, what's up? Hey, people, you know what? This cologne is not that bad, It's not that bad at all. I don't know why I don't wear it that often. That's what I'm wearing today. Right now, I'm gonna go get some lunch. But I don't know what to get for lunch. Bro, Island Grill is just convenient. Like, you just go to Island Grill and bam. You see me? Get it alone. But I'm gonna call the people where I normally buy the jerk chicken with the sweet mashed potatoes and vegetables. See if them available real quick. Hold on. Let me do it while I'm vlogging. Show them up. Show them up real quick. It's ringing and now. It's calling. It's not ringing. It's calling. It's not ringing. So I'm not gonna answer. Seems like Island Grill it is. So I'm gonna get some Island Grill right now, just now. And maybe I'll vlog inside because I'm a vlogger, bro. But because I'm gonna have to carry the food, it's probably gonna be too much load for me because the camera is a big, heavy camera, right? Yeah. So let's do this. Quick talk, real quick. So why men use women? Sometimes, ladies, it's not that we set out to use, It just look like that. Sometimes our intentions are pure. Like, I really want to get to know this girl. I really like her. She's beautiful and everything. But then you get to know the person. You realize she's not the one for you. She's not your queen. She's not saying that she isn't a queen. She's just not your queen. So it can't work. And you got to keep it moving. You got to live life at your best. You got to be your best self. You got to be great. And like, being with this girl is not making you happy. So you got to go. You got to cut your losses, So that's what it is sometimes. It's not that we set out to use a girl. Sometimes you really like a girl. You just realize it's not going to work and you just, can't work. So yeah, that's it. Speaking for myself, not for all men. Not for all men. Some men, I feel like some men just want to have as much bodies as they can. They feel like the purpose in life is to fuck every girl that they can, but I'm not saying that's me. That's not my purpose. My purpose in life is to get rich. Nah, I mean, when it comes to the crap, man, I cream. Bro, I was tired of the island grill, so I came to this new place here. Let me see if you can see it, man. I can see it. I came to a new place out over here. It's really nice. And I got some escavish fish. Got some fish or something. Ooh. Some fish and just some vegetables. Every time I eat no fish, get some fish and some vegetables. Cider drink. And some soup. Long time I don't drink no soup either, so I eat up the soup and everything. And yeah, that's my lunch. That is my lunch, you know, so yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Alright, we are out here. Peace. And we're live. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today is Tuesday, the day after Monday, and the time is, as you can see, 3:51. I woke up about 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock no, about 2:30, because I'm going to Mobay today to handle some business, and I'm going to take Knoxford. I'm not driving because it's me alone. I feel like it's more convenient just take Knoxford and then you do what you have to do and then you come back real quick. I'm going to pick up my friend's car. He said he want me to pick up his car, bring it to Kingston. So that's the reason why I'm taking Knoxford as well. So let's do this. We're out here. I'm going to shower now. And see if I can get something to eat and then go on the road to Knoxford, because the bus is leaving at 6 and I'm going to vlog the full journey. I'm going to start vlogging more, you know? Yeah. Just ask people, hey, can I record you? If they don't want me to record them, then I cut that out, or I just stop recording them. Alright? So that's how I'm going to go about it. So like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for your continued support. Appreciate it, okay? Yeah. Dreadlock can't live in a tenement, yeah. Too much watchy, too much su. Yo, I'm hollering at taxis, bro. I'm in a good mood. Yo, I always choose to do everything last minute. You know me, I run late right now. I'm gonna wake up really early. Yeah. I wake up from about like 2:45 or so. And right now, I should reach the bus. Bus I left 6 o'clock and I should reach 5:45. Let me say the latest. And right now the time is 5:26. It's crazy. I be doing things last minute all the time. I should have been there from 5 o'clock and I ease myself. But it is what it is. Bus can't left me. Them no wanna shot fire down at that. You see me? Yo! It's crazy, bro. Place look nice in the morning. Yo, I'm just gonna start vlog more, bro. Cause I'm a vlogger. Alright, so like, comment, subscribe. We're out here on our way to Mobay. Deuces. Bro, no remember what I feel like to take taxi that when I worst thing to blood flood. 5:30, I know me I go late. So I'm saying if I reach by 5:30, I'm there at 5:30. And it's a good walk, you know, but you know, I go Oak Road side. Maybe I get a taxi that side. Yes, sir. Yes. Oh, I go there, sir. You dig me? Bro, taxi taking is one of the worst things. You move like you're big people. I call to the taxi man a while ago, just a drive. You not even look. You see me? I saw them go on still. Them have the advantage. I'm there I walk. Hopefully I reach in time. You see me? Taxi! Full up. Yo! Buckshot. Man, I don't even look a bit, you know? Judge of God. I just one of them things still. You can live like Knoxford. Come in, how much
much I give me go on this?
How much you want?
15 days no run.
15 days, that's too much money.
That's a charge, man. I too cheap money that you know.
Too cheap money. Right, I know, son.
Yeah,
Too much, man. Take a toast.
give me 12 days. 12 days.
Take a toast, my father.
No, what you know?
Yeah.
6 bills are cheap.
Oh, yeah.
But you see, by the time we reach half a cheap.
Yeah.
You see, when I get me run, I go down now.
Yeah.
Does it take it by myself?
Yeah. You can't go yes, man.
I don't know it by yourself, you know.
Oh.
You know
Yeah,
exactly.
man, yes, I simple. Yeah. Just go left first.
Alright, you see, as me I say.
Yeah.
You see, by the time I see me reach half a cheap, when you see me run, I go down now.
Yeah.
As me reach my load for 6, 7, 800 dollars gone up at the road.
Yeah.
So you see, by the time you see me load and gone back up the road,
Yeah.
I just say, who there?
Yeah, alright. Let me give you 6 days.
Eh?
Let me give you 12 days.
As I say, who there, I make 6 bills or 8 bills go up the road.
Alright.
And as I say, who there, I make either 6 bills come back down the road, see me.
Yeah.
Because I had the early morning people that were waiting for me.
Yeah. Alright. It looks like we made it. Look how far we've come now, baby. We may have took the long road. Yeah, as the man did I say, I have to give him $1,200 because I charter it. Yeah, and I say him chips, me I fuck up him thing. So I catch the bus, so I go in now and check in and yeah. I forgot my mask. Oh. The bus there still. No. I got a mask from a nice lady. Yeah, she gave me one of her masks that she has. So, back on shop. Mobay. Destination, isn't it?
Aleko, Lyttle.
I made it. I'm on the bus.
Stop service.
Oh, dear, upon the vlogs. How can I Mobay?
Bobo man.
Say something about
Kingstonian come down, but you look good man, very flat everything.
naturally gym life, I like.
Yes, so when a girl who you have a town, you know.
Left them at town.
Yes,
Give me-
my boy.
Come check your Mobay on them.
Yeah man,
Naturally, I like.
yeah man. So
Yeah.
when you go on the work, you know. Your
Alright.
father over there on so hard cutting go video him.
Alright then.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it tough?
Come down now, you know. I wrong side to go drop, Bobby. Where you drop? Oh.
Yeah.
Spread out. You want to talk? This one walk on the place and another year of dog.
See them.
Money
there.
now, bro.
What I gotta do with them?
Yeah?
What I gotta do with them breakfast?
Yeah, bro.
Say hug them a move.
Yeah?
Say hug them get to work.
Yeah,
So the hog them get through. So goat no eat them. Say see goat them?
No, that's something like the goat them in the Which you said going to was eating one of them. They breed.
Yeah.
Things will come down and you get them covered.
Oh, so two of them are breed now.
Yeah.
Oh, that good then, man. Some name brand goats, you know?
You want to fence up, because I agree with them. You want to fence up them, then you have to let them go in there.
I land me up if you go take them out. You say they don't have land up there.
Yeah?
They don't have land up there for sitting there.
No, man, I don't want to go too far, brother.
They don't have land for farming activities like
Yeah.
plant. Eh?
Yeah.
That more I know about. Then just put in my name, you know, Aleko, Lyttle. You see me?
Farming?
Yeah, big business that, you know. I own a supermarket and them thing.
Yeah?
I own a supermarket and them thing. You see me?
You're right.
Supply some people with some goods. And not for meat alone.
Start with the meat, man.
Eh?
Start off with the meat, you know.
Yeah.
So we can supply them with the meat first. Then you start supplying them with other things.
That I pray.
All those are going to plant, you know.
Planting.
Yeah. Yeah, make those things, you know, man.
Oh. Man, all Sean, man, like 10 on the vlog. You go on before everything up?
Yes, man.
What's up with you, man? I lie?
Really?
Oh, okay. Yeah, go on. My goats. Same way up, sir. It up some father. I'm look expensive, man, something. You look like what I see on it.
Honey food, eh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Me put him in a cool.
Well, he kind of small still, like he might go get bigger.
Go, I mean, if you go grow more.
In buck. Buck me down here. Look alright, man. Look smaller than the one that I see.
Yeah? Let me feed them with them.
I'm young still, I'm 9 months. This I pen ready now. Serious of them, me.
Yeah, I took what on them. The kid must sit down at end.
Time, sir.
Yeah, we feed that kid. We feed that kid in.
This is kind of, it's still kind of, that's small.
Time panda.
See mother goat.
You never fear that food.
Our own goats, baby. I got goat man money. I like that again. Yeah, so what do you mean in post sitting there? I'm mash up your life, you know. You see me?
Tea, man, I love company.
You know, I move like local goat, man. That boat down already. I call that one a ram, you see me? I name them already, some. If you name them, you say one I not really name.
You can't have them again.
You say one I name Ram.
You tag for New Year's, isn't it?
Number 1. You put that one?
No, brother, so then come with you have to buy tag. You have to buy tag and all for it.
Ram.
One of them not a tag.
Like, I just look big healthy goat.
Tag a goat, them mark a goat, them, isn't it?
I'm a goat farmer, baby. I got goat man money. Let me take you to dinner. Ooh. No, I'm not for life. About 6 goat. Are we done this week, gone? Can't let me go to work for them. No.
More is in for us, isn't it?
Expensive. But your mother want them listen? Your mother go them listen about?
I don't know how to all this area. All you know what this is.
It's my whole heap of thing in there, man. Ram Ram. Yeah, look. Mr. Billy Ram Ram. Yeah. Ram Ram is bigger than this, bro. Okay, boys are really dark. They're young still. Only 9 months. Ram Ram. She's coming a being. This is joking. So this is one and a breed.
This one I just take from seats.
Oh. Mother goat.
We say another one to eat a free room.
That one, the too young?
Too young to take them, yeah. This one I take them early.
Active, man.
Yeah!
Business. The next children is around. Below, what are you doing? I say? You know better way when you tell me, say, something. The pallet thing. I'm concrete, brother.
Pallet thing take less workers, you know. Clean the dries, you know. So one time a month I clean out underneath the thing. Yeah, but after like monthly or so you
So this one at 23. Bad girl 23.
One day 0 and took a piece of filter papa, so at least about 14 or so.
And this out in box still. You know about me.
What?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, I'm done, man.
When is this are you?
I'm there, man.
You know, it's a boy. You take picture of boy. Now you mash up the camera to the
You want to
Take your old boy face. Well, big your phone card there. Digital.
No, so no hurry.
What go tonight?
Take back 350.
They go back tonight.
Bueno.
Yeah?
And for the mission.
Barry, I run the business.
Where you went?
I got a problem.
Only
Italian.
Coming for money.
B.
Mbappe no big Kyla man.
Where is your man?
Work.
Me not know light, man.
Where's the come out of this one? 1Q?
No man, that's the boy was sitting for that.
Fast too.
One you can go right.
No, man, this is what I supposed to.
Because anything.
Nah, man, you know.
You not call me again.
You know, when brother birthday party over there.
Little one.
My grandfather.
Where's that one to play boy? You not kill no hard.
My grandfather.
Behind the
When I
muscle.
see him this long time,
A long time you see him now.
I look somebody.
Grandmother.
I see him Tuesday.
Here comes this, let me see what you find him this.
Oh, one that kill that. Oh,
Kill chin, no kill.
I know load you got man.
Hi, let me give you an update. So I'm here. On my way heading back to Kingston. I like my trip, my little one-day trip. It was nice. I get to see my grandparents and my father and all of that. And I'm heading back now, so time is now what, 9 o'clock. And the curfew is 10 o'clock. Hopefully I reach by 11 o'clock. I'm in a fast car after all. Normal pray. Alright? Maybe I'll do a car tour of this car. It's beautiful. Alright? Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. We're out here. What the light now change? I'll go on this one. Yeah, so I'm in Kingston now. Walk up right there. So. It took me 2 hours to reach Kingston again. Yeah, I gotta break my record, you know. 2 hours my last record that I set for myself, and I gotta break it. Well, it was a eventful day. I left Kingston when it was dark, and I came back when it's dark. So I had fun today. I saw my grandparents, and I hung out with my father. I saw my goats. I saw my goats, because I'm a goat. So I buy goats. So I saw my goats. And yeah, today was nice. Today was a really good day. Yeah, you know that the drive from Mobay to Kingston is just a short little drive. I don't know why people think it's long. It's a short drive, bro. I have friends that drive way harder than me. And I'm 2 hours it take me to reach from Mobay to Kingston. So I can imagine them. Probably like 1.5 hours. 1 hour 15 minutes. Because them niggas drive really hard. You know, they don't stay behind or nothing. I be driving like an old man sometimes, but it is what it is. I be getting where I'm going. Because a while ago I didn't go past 160. And I don't normally go past 160. And I know my niggas go 220, 200. You know? So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, we're out here. Yeah, and share the videos. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna start vlogging every day and just do it, you know? Yeah, because I'm a vlogger, okay? Yeah, share with your friends so that they can come and subscribe too. Thank you. Peace. Hey, so I'm inside and everything is cool. I'm going great. So, have this ever happened to you before, YouTube, where all along everything good and you don't tired, but as soon as you reach in, this overwhelming tiredness just take over your body, just hug you up and say, yeah. And I'm tired, I want to sleep. I'm going to get some sleep. Peace.